Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the app with the account you used to buy it. This ties the license to your profile. Once done, verify the email and confirm payment so features unlock. Make sure to accept app permissions now because they enable core functions like sync and notifications. Finally, enable two-factor authentication and link your main device to prevent lockouts. Doing this up front saves time and avoids support calls later. You now configure the app's core features so it behaves predictably. Start by filling your profile and adjusting preferences like language and notification frequency. This ensures content and alerts are relevant. Next, import or sync data, connect cloud accounts, upload CSVs, or pair other devices so you have continuity across platforms. Make sure to enable backups and set an automatic sync interval, for example, every 15 minutes, to prevent data loss and keep everything up to date. You finish by walking through quick tests. Create an item, save it, sync to the cloud, and log out then back in to confirm continuity. Once satisfied, check for app updates and enable auto-updates so improvements install automatically. Also confirm your subscription status to avoid feature cutoffs. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Force close the app, clear cache, and reinstall. If that fails, gather screenshots and logs, then contact support for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.